Hello, my name is Diane,
And I'm the great Alexis.
and our presentation is called Sir Isaac Newton, An Unexpected Journey into Physics.
What is physics?
Physics is the study of everything.
I thought it was the science that deals with matter, energy, and force, making up the greatest concept to explain the world.
Well, yes, that is part of it.
Who created physics?
It was first introduced to us by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century. He was an English physicist and mathematician who came to bring to us the brilliance that is the color spectrum and the creation of everybody's favorite subject, calculus.
Whoa, everyone hates calculus.
Regardless of that, he would come to create the largest success, which was physics.
But you just got done saying that calculus was his best.
Just go.
So when was it created?
It was created during the scientific revolution.
So basically, during the scientific revolution, the homie Isaac, he advances significantly in technology.
Well, not only him, but many new faces such as Copernicus, Kepler, Galileo, and Descartes began to place their input on the world around them, creating concepts revolving around the heliocentric system, the principles of inertia, and philosophy concerning the universe.
So he just basically explained the universe in one hit.
No, it took experimentation and discovery to create the science behind physics.
So these laws, are these not texting and driving?
Well, no.
Well, it says that the first law states that an object at rest will remain at rest as long as no net force acts on it.
Which is true. I will show you through an experiment. 'Cause you guys remember when you were a child and you would grab a bucket and they'd be filled with water and you'd start to spin it around
I never did that.
and grab that bucket.
It's full of water.
And when you spin it in a concentric circle at the same acceleration, the water does not fall out even when it is virtually upside down, because a constant acceleration means that there is no velocity. Okay. The second law of motion has to do with the sum of the forces equaling mass times acceleration. Whenever you have a force and a mass, you can find acceleration. Whenever you have a mass and acceleration, you can find a force. And whenever you have acceleration and a force, you can find mass.
So, is my hand on this rope a force? Is my hand on this rope a force?
Well, technically, we can calculate your force by knowing the mass and using basic algebra and trig to find the sum of the force.
All right. Newton's third law states that for every force that acts on an object, there's a reaction force on a different object with the same magnitude. How do you explain this?
Oh, this one's easy. Come here.
Whoa.
Yay. The force I put from my hand into him had him push back, and I had an opposite and equal reaction force. So the use of modern physics would be built upon these three basic principles, which create the new and advanced modern physics we have today. This ranges from various levels of difficulty, some as simple as calculating a force, like when I just pushed you over, and others more complex, such as the telecommunication between satellites and cellular broadcasting towers.
Doesn't this also work for guns and, shooting things and during the wars?
Technically, yes. Well, this concludes our presentation. We have come to see how something created during the 17th century has been used today. This is used in all technology worldwide, and his legacy will live on.
So, yeah.
Yeah. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.